great importance because of the frequent development of cancer and metastatic spread through the lymphatics. Majority of the lymphatic drainage is towards the axillary nodes. 75% of the lymph drainage is towards the axillary nodes, while the remaining 25% of lymph fluid drains to the parasternal, also known as the internal thoracic nodes. The parasternal or internal thoracic nodes primarily drain lymphatic fluid from the medial quadrants of the breast. Speaking of the axillary nodes are actually subdivided into three levels. Level 1 here is the group of axillary nodes inferior to and lateral to the pectoralis minor, which is this muscle over here. Axillary nodes below or deep to the pectoralis minor comprise axillary lymph node level 2. And finally, lymph nodes which are superior to and medial to the pectoralis minor muscle are the axillary lymph nodes level 3. This is important because cancer usually spreads first to axillary lymph nodes level 1 and 2 before spreading to axillary level 3. For this reason, metastatic spread to axillary level 3 confers a higher stage of cancer as compared to if the cancer was simply in axillary level 1 or 2.